Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to do the smiley face edit on CapCut. So here I already add a photo without expressions actually. So I'm going to make this photo into a smiley face, and you can also do this with a video. You can try it on CapCut. So here what you need to do is just click on the photo and go to style, and here just swipe until you find smile face effect. Just click on the effect and it will be applied to your photo. Oops. Okay, so now it has been applied. You can just click on the check icon and I'm gonna show you the difference. So this is the before and here is the after. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. If you like the video, please click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Thank you.